Think premium gas or turning off your AC saves you money at the pump? Think again. These common fuel myths are costing you big time. In today's video, where we'll debunk some of the most popular fuel myths that millions of people still believe and how they're wasting money in the process. From turning off the AC to always choosing premium fuel, these so-called smart choices might be harming your wallet instead of helping it. Stick around as we expose the truth and give you the facts on how to truly maximize your fuel efficiency. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on more money-saving tips. Let's get started. Fuel myths have been circulating for years, often passed on by well-meaning friends, strangers, or even online experts. From magic gadgets promising better fuel efficiency to fanciful claims about premium fuel, it's easy to be misled. These myths not only waste your time, but can also cost you money. Let's bust 10 of the most popular and dumbest fuel myths that many drivers fall for and show you how to stop them from draining your wallet. 10. Turning off the AC saves gas mileage. The belief that turning off your air conditioning, AC, saves fuel is one of the most enduring myths among drivers. On the surface, it seems like a reasonable assumption. AC systems consume energy, so turning it off should reduce fuel consumption, right? The truth is more complex. While it's true that older air conditioning systems are less efficient, modern car ACs are designed to be surprisingly fuel efficient. Their impact on fuel economy is minimal. One alternative commonly suggested to save fuel is rolling down the windows, but this can work against you at higher speeds. When you open the windows, especially on highways, you create aerodynamic drag, which causes the engine to work harder to maintain speed. This drag increases fuel consumption significantly. The faster you go, the greater the impact of this drag becomes. In contrast, air conditioning systems in modern vehicles are optimized to be energy efficient, and using the AC at higher speeds is often more fuel efficient than having the windows down. So when you're driving on the highway, feel free to use your AC without guilt. Not only will it keep you comfortable, but it may also help conserve fuel by preventing the extra drag caused by open windows. The key takeaway here is that for most modern vehicles, the difference in fuel consumption between using AC or having the windows down is minimal, especially on highways where aerodynamic drag plays a significant role. 9. Manual transmissions always save gas. For many years, it was a widely held belief that manual transmissions were the best option for saving gas. The logic behind this myth was that with a manual transmission, drivers have more control over shifting gears and can optimize fuel consumption. However, the reality is that manual transmissions no longer hold a significant advantage over automatics in terms of fuel efficiency. Modern automatic transmissions have evolved considerably. Technologies like continuously variable transmissions, CVTs, and dual clutch systems are now common in many vehicles. These systems use advanced electronics and optimized gear ratios that help conserve fuel much more effectively than traditional manual transmissions. Studies have shown that many modern automatic vehicles outperform manual transmissions at the pump. While driving a manual transmission can be a fun and engaging experience, it no longer offers a clear advantage when it comes to fuel efficiency. Automatics are more efficient in part because they are capable of making smoother, more precise shifts and can adapt to driving conditions better than a human driver can. Additionally, some automatics even allow drivers to manually select gears, combining the best of both worlds. 8. Cruise control uses low fuel. Cruise control is often thought of as a feature that can help save fuel, but it's not always the best choice, particularly on hilly terrain. The idea behind cruise control is that it helps maintain a constant speed, preventing the fluctuations that can occur with manual throttle adjustments. While cruise control is effective for maintaining a steady pace on flat highways, it can become less efficient on hills. When driving uphill with cruise control activated, the system attempts to keep the car moving at the preset speed. This means it pushes the engine harder than necessary, leading to increased fuel consumption. A more experienced driver, on the other hand, would know to ease off the throttle on the way up and let gravity help them maintain a steady speed, which uses less fuel. That said, not everyone is skilled at managing their speed on inclines, and poor driving habits like excessive braking or rapid acceleration can waste far more fuel than cruise control ever could. If you're not confident in your ability to drive efficiently on hills, cruise control is still a better option than constantly accelerating and braking, which leads to higher fuel consumption. In summary, while cruise control can be a useful tool for conserving fuel on flat roads, it's not a magic solution. Knowing when to use it and when to rely on your driving skills is key to getting the best fuel economy. 7. Topping off gets you more gas. Topping off your fuel tank is a habit many drivers fall into, believing that squeezing in just a little more fuel will give them extra miles. While this may seem like a smart way to maximize your tank, it's a terrible practice that can lead to several problems. When the fuel pump clicks off, your tank is full. Any additional fuel you attempt to add won't stay in the tank. It either returns to the pump or spills out. Overfilling your tank can cause significant damage to your car's vapor recovery system. Modern vehicles are equipped with a charcoal canister designed to capture and recycle fuel vapors. Overfilling the tank floods this canister with liquid fuel, which not only reduces fuel efficiency, but can also lead to engine performance issues. Additionally, overfilling causes another issue: fuel expansion. Gasoline stored underground at the fuel station is cool, but once it enters the warm environment of your car, it heats up and expands. This expansion can result in fuel leaking out of the tank, wasting your money and potentially creating a fire hazard. Spilled fuel is not only dangerous, but also environmentally harmful. Moreover, gasoline is corrosive, and if it spills onto your car's paint, it can damage the clear coat, leaving unsightly marks and costing you money in repairs. For all these reasons, it's important to stop pumping once the nozzle clicks off. Overfilling your tank may seem satisfying in the moment, but it's a waste of money, a safety risk, and a potential source of damage to your car. Always adhere to the pump's automatic shutoff to avoid these issues. 6. Premium gas cleans the engine and provides better performance. Premium gas is often marketed as a cleaner, higher performance option, but the truth is, unless your car specifically requires premium fuel, you're just wasting money. The primary difference between regular and premium fuel is the octane level. Regular gas typically has an octane rating of 87, while premium starts at 91 or higher. Higher octane fuel prevents knocking in high-performance engines, but if your car doesn't need it, you're paying extra for no benefit. As for cleaning properties, all gasoline, whether regular, mid-grade, or premium, contains detergents that help prevent carbon buildup. The idea that premium fuel provides superior cleaning power is just marketing fluff. If your engine needs cleaning, it's best to have it professionally serviced, not rely on premium fuel. 5. Filling up in the morning saves money. Some drivers believe that filling up in the morning when temperatures are cooler results in denser fuel, allowing you to get more gas for your money. The idea sounds logical. Cooler fuel is denser, so you'd think you'd get more fuel per gallon. But this myth is completely false. Fuel at gas stations is stored underground, where the temperature remains constant throughout the day. The underground tanks are buried deep enough that they maintain a stable temperature regardless of whether it's morning, noon, or night. Gasoline meters are calibrated for a specific temperature, meaning you're getting the same amount of fuel at any time of day. The time of day doesn't matter when it comes to saving money, so don't fall for this one. 4. Driving on a low fuel tank destroys the engine. Many drivers believe that running low on fuel is bad for the engine, fearing that it will suck dirt and debris into the engine. The truth is that modern vehicles have fuel pumps that pull fuel from the bottom of the tank no matter how much fuel is left. If your fuel tank contains dirt or water, it can get sucked into the system whether the tank is full or nearly empty. However, fuel filters are designed to catch debris before it reaches the engine, and they are highly effective at keeping contaminants out. Running low on fuel doesn't damage the engine, so feel free to drive on a low tank without worrying about engine destruction. 3. Gasoline from different brands is significantly different. Another common myth is that gasoline from different brands is substantially different in quality, with some gas stations claiming their fuel is cleaner or more powerful. While there are slight differences in additives used by various brands, all gasoline sold in the United States must meet the same standards set by the Environmental Protection Agency, EPA. These standards ensure that gasoline contains a minimum level of detergents to reduce carbon buildup in the engine regardless of the brand. The difference in fuel quality from one brand to another is negligible in terms of performance and efficiency. Ultimately, the price at the pump is more important than the brand name when it comes to fueling up. 2. Premium gas is better for fuel efficiency. The belief that premium gas improves fuel efficiency is another widespread misconception. Premium gasoline is often marketed as a higher quality fuel, mainly due to its higher octane rating. It's more expensive than regular grade gasoline, which leads many to assume that it offers better performance or improved fuel efficiency. However, unless your vehicle's engine is specifically designed to require premium fuel, there's no real benefit in terms of fuel economy. Most modern cars are built to run efficiently on regular grade gasoline, which is typically sufficient for optimal performance. Premium gas is only necessary for vehicles with high-performance engines or those that are designed to operate with a higher octane rating. 1. The ethanol-free gas is always better. Ethanol-free gasoline has often been promoted as the superior option for fuel efficiency and engine performance. Ethanol, a renewable biofuel, is commonly mixed with gasoline in varying amounts, typically 10% ethanol, known as E10, to reduce carbon emissions and improve fuel economy. Ethanol is also generally cheaper than pure gasoline, making ethanol-blended fuels a more affordable and environmentally friendly option. Ethanol-free gas is sometimes marketed as providing better fuel efficiency, and while it may offer a slight boost in performance for certain high-performance engines, it is not necessarily the best choice for the majority of drivers. Modern cars are designed to run efficiently with ethanol-blended fuels, and using ethanol-free gas typically does not result in significant improvements in performance or fuel efficiency for most vehicles. We've debunked some of the most common fuel myths that could be costing you money unnecessarily. Many drivers believe that turning off the air conditioning (AC) saves fuel, but in reality, driving with windows down at high speeds creates drag, which can reduce fuel efficiency even more. Another widespread misconception is that manual transmissions are always more fuel efficient than automatics. While this may have been true in the past, modern automatic transmissions are often designed to optimize fuel consumption, making them just as efficient, if not more so. Additionally, some people think that using premium gasoline improves fuel efficiency or performance. However, unless your vehicle specifically requires premium fuel, using it offers no significant benefits and only leads to higher expenses. These myths, while widely believed, often result in wasted money without delivering the promised savings or advantages. By understanding the facts, you can make smarter choices that truly improve your vehicle's fuel efficiency and keep more money in your pocket. If you learned something new today, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends to help them stop wasting money too. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on more money-saving tips and debunked myths. Got any fuel myths you've fallen for or want us to dive into? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.